I want to share with you the best credit cards for no credit this year. So if you're looking for the top credit cards for no credit, I'll be sharing with you some credit cards that are unsecured and some credit cards that are actually secured. So I'll be having a mix of secured and unsecured credit cards into this conversation. Okay. So here are the top cards I want you to pay attention to. Number one, you have the secured Chime Credit Builder Visa. So as the name implies, this is a secured credit card, and this credit card is great for you if you are looking for a no credit credit card. Okay, and what I love about this credit card is that you have a no annual fee. There is actually, and this is a credit card that's actually great for you, whether you have a poor credit or no credit or bad credit or whatever. Okay, this is really good. And with the secured Chime Credit Builder card, there is no credit check required to apply, and there is no minimum security deposit required either. In fact, unlike other secured credit cards, you can use your deposit to pay your monthly bill. You just need to replenish it for the next month. So this is kind of cool. And Chime reports to all three major credit bureaus and helps limit the risk of overspending. So your data has been reported every single month to Experian, to Equifax, but also TransUnion. Okay, so this Chime secured credit builder Visa card is a great option for you if you are looking to build your credit, and you have a Chime checking account. So you first need to have a Chime checking account. Okay, so this is kind of cool. The second credit card for no credit this year is the Capital One Silver Student Cash Rewards. This card is unsecured, so you don't have to really put in any deposit down to actually benefit from the card. Okay, this is the best student card for earning cash back on food and entertainment. So, for instance, you can earn unlimited 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and at grocery stores, excluding superstores like Walmart and Costco. Okay, but the cool thing is that you are able to earn $50 as a welcome bonus on this card, and the card has a pretty decent APR too. You have 19% all the way to 29%. So this is really pretty interesting. If you're looking for a credit card for no credit this year, think about the Varo Believe Credit Builder card. So this card actually is great for Varo bank customers with no credit. So if you happen to have an account if you are a Varo bank customer and you have no credit, you can actually use this card. The cool thing about this card is that it can be secured or unsecured. So you have the possibility. Okay, so you can have it as an unsecured credit card too. And this card is great because it allows you to have up to 6% cash back. So you can earn up to 6% cash back at select brands and retailers nationwide. This is really good. And the card has no annual fee. There is no credit check either. Okay, so no credit check to apply, no fees. Fantastic. And you can set your own spending limits. On the flip side, the thing is that you must have a Varo bank account. The spending limit is based on funds deposited into a secured account. So something to remember. And you must pay your balance in full every single month. And balance transfers are not allowed. Another credit card I want to share with you is the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards. So this card is actually secured, okay? And this is the best secured card for earning flat rate cash back. And the card actually has no annual fee, but the APR is kind of high. So that's what I don't like with this card. The APR is like 29%, okay? But hey, listen, if you're looking for a card to allow you to build credit, this is really good. You have unlimited 1.5% cashback reward on all eligible purchases. There are no foreign transaction fees. And the card actually reports to all three credit bureaus. And you have the ability to graduate to an unsecured card with good payment behavior. On the flip side, basically there are no bonus categories other than Capital One travel bookings. And you have a $200 minimum opening deposits, okay? But the cool thing is overall, you can also monitor your credit score with CreditWise with credit wise from Capital One. So this is kind of cool. If you're looking for the best credit cards for no credit this year, I want you to think about Capital One Quicksilver Student Cash Rewards credit card. And this card is actually unsecured. So this is the best student card for earning flat rate cash back this year. For instance, you are able to get up to 5% reward rate. Okay, so you have unlimited 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, and 1.5% unlimited cash back on other purchases. So you are able to earn $50 bonus. This is a welcome bonus that they're giving you. There is no annual fee with this card. The regular APR goes from 19% to 29%. So this is really cool. Okay, so for no annual fee, this card earns rewards and offers a small, easy to earn welcome bonus. So this is really good. There are no foreign transaction fees and no deposit needed. Okay, the card also includes an extended warranty for your purchases, a nice add-on if you buy, let's say, electronics or small appliances from your dorm or apartments. So this is kind of cool. Overall, you have a very nice, a well-rounded card. That's what I love. So one thing I want to say also is that you have solid cashback rewards for a student credit card if you think about it. Okay, so you are able to enjoy peace of mind with $0 for liability so that you won't be responsible for unauthorized charges. You can enjoy no annual fee, foreign transaction fees, or hidden fees. You can lock your card in the Capital One mobile app if it's misplaced, lost, or stolen. This is really good. And you can earn up to $500 a year by referring friends and family when they are approved for a Capital One credit card. And you can also build your credit card with, you can build your credit with responsible card use. Okay, so this is so whether you are a you are at a 4-year university, community college, or other higher education institution, this card might be an option for you. I just want to insist that this is actually an unsecured credit card. If you're looking for the best credit cards for no credit this year, I want you to think about the Navy Fed Cash Rewards Secured. So this card is the best card for Navy Fed members with no credit. Okay, so the card is pretty good because it allows you to have to earn unlimited 1% cash back on all purchases. I mean, all purchases, not just a few of them, all purchases. And the card actually has it has this flexibility in terms of it requires a low minimum $200 security deposit, and as a cardholder, you could receive a credit limit increase in as little as 3 months. Okay, so this is really good. And in 6 months, Navy Fed automatically reviews your account for eligibility to upgrade to the unsecured Navy Fed Cash Rewards credit card. So once you are actually upgraded, your security deposit will be refunded. And this card also doesn't have an annual fee, balance transfer fee, cash advance fee, or foreign transaction fee. So you have flexibility there, okay? And the Navy Fed Cash Reward Secured also offers a collision damage waiver when you use your card to pay for a car rental of 15 days or less. So this is really good. The only thing is you have to have membership, right? So this card is actually limited to Navy Fed members. So to be eligible, you'll need to be active duty, retired, or a veteran of one of the branches of the U.S. Armed Forces, a family member, or a Department of Defense civilian. So you got to have a certain affiliation to the military to actually qualify for membership. Okay, but here, listen, this is a great card. If you are a Navy Fed member, you will and you have no credit. This card can really help you. This card is also a great option for you if you are thinking about renting a car or travel. If you are renting a car or traveling abroad, this card is actually great for you. Okay. So again, no annual fee, no foreign transaction fees, and you can earn 1% cashback on all purchases. If you're looking for the best credit cards for no credit this year, I want you to think about the new Visa credit card. And this is one of the best alternative card for students with no credit. Okay, so this card is really fantastic. And now the only thing is that the card allows you to, this is an unsecured credit card, but they do charge you an annual fee. And they don't charge the fee annually, but they charge you on a monthly basis. And the fee actually goes from $4 to $7 on a monthly basis. So that's about what? That's about $48 to $84 a year. Okay, and the card is actually great for you if you have no credit history. So the new Visa credit card is an alternative credit card for students with no credit. Okay, and one thing I want to say is that you got to be a student. You got to be at a 4-year college or at a university, but you got to be a student because they'll ask you for a student card. Okay, so this card doesn't charge you. This card doesn't charge interest or late fees, and there is no credit history needed to apply. The card offers cashback and credit score updates on both available plans. So while you'll pay a monthly service fee to hold this card, you can choose your credit limit based on the amount you pay every month. The Grow option gives you a fixed credit limit of $200, while the Grow and Expand choice increases your limits to $350 with a chance to increase your credit limit over time up to $1,000. Okay, but the card is actually marketed in a specific niche to students. Okay, so while the card is marketed to students, anyone who lives in the U.S. and is 18 or over can apply. Even international students without a social security number are invited to apply. You will also receive an instant virtual card upon approval. So this is really good, especially if you're willing to pay how much they're charging you. Okay, $4 or $7 a month. Remember, no credit history is needed. You can earn cashback. You can earn cashback rewards, and anyone over 18 can actually apply. If you're looking for the best credit cards for no credit this year, think about the Amazon Prime Secured Credit Card. So this card is the best card for Prime members with no credit this year. And the card allows you actually to earn up to 2x the reward rate. So non-Prime members do not currently earn rewards with this card, but eligible Prime members earn 2% back at Amazon.com, Amazon Fresh, and other outlets. So the card has no annual fee. In terms of the regular APR, they're charging you about 10 to 12%. And this is a fixed APR, by the way. And so this card can get you access to what you need at your favorite online store with a minimal deposit required. So this is kind of cool. Okay, so you're able to get started with a deposit of only $100, and you can choose your credit limit by depositing any amount between $100 and $1,000 in $50 increments. So after 12 months, Amazon will review your credit file to determine if you should graduate to the unsecured store card and receive your security deposit back. However, if you prefer the guardrails of the deposit, Amazon will let you keep the secured card version. So it's really up to you. Okay, so the card is great because it allows you to build credit while also building your loyalty with Amazon. Okay, so this is really good. What are the pros and cons of this card here? The pros first, you have the opportunity to graduate to an unsecured card with responsible use. You may be offered this card as an alternative option for you if you don't qualify for the unsecured option. There is no annual fee, and you have a low fixed purchase APR, 10% to 12%. On the flip side, this card requires a security deposit, and it can only be used to make purchases at Amazon.com. Okay, so if you love actually being in the Amazon ecosystem, no problem. But if you want to go elsewhere, that's a little problematic. Okay, but the cool thing is you have access to a TransUnion Credit View dashboard to track your credit score. So this is really good because it tells you whether you are doing something right or wrong. So if you're looking for the best credit cards for no credit this year, think about the Bank of America Travel Rewards Secured. And this is the best secured card for international travel, among others, okay? For instance, you have 1.5 points per dollar on all other purchases and 3 points per dollar on purchases made through the travel center at Bank of America, okay? So this is really, really cool. And there's no annual fee. I love that. The only thing is the regular APR is kind of high, 28%, okay? But overall, this card is really great. It can be actually the most rewarding card for you if you're looking to earn simple flat rate rewards. It's also a winner for you if you love to travel. Okay, so this card doesn't charge foreign transaction fees and earns elevated rewards on travel booked through a Bank of America Travel Center. So it earns actually one of my top billing for you if you are planning to travel abroad. Okay, and this is really cool. Now, a $200 minimum security deposit is required to open the account. And Bank of America will periodically review your account, and you may qualify to have your security deposit returned to you. So this is really cool. And so overall, fantastic. You have no blackout dates or restrictions on travel rewards. So this is really good. And points never expire as long as the card stays open. You have a $0 foreign transaction fee. Okay, that's really cool. And you also have unlimited 3 points per dollar on purchases made through the travel center. Overall, fantastic. Okay. And also, by the way, the security deposit that you actually have to make with the Bank of America goes from 200, not 2,000, 200 all the way to $5,000. Okay. So that's pretty good because, as you know, the security deposit has an impact on your FICO score because it's going to impact your CUR, your credit utilization ratio. So the larger security deposit, the better it is for you because you have a chance of having a low CUR, and having a low CUR can have a positive impact on your FICO score. Okay, so that's really good. So I just shared with you the top 9 best credit cards for no credit this year, and this is pretty interesting. So as a recap into this conversation, I share with you the best credit cards for no credit. You have the Secure Chime, the Capital One Saver Student, the Varo, the Capital One Quicksilver Student, Quicksilver Secured, Navy Fed Cash Rewards, Noi Visa, or New Visa, Amazon Prime, and Bank of America Travel Rewards Secured. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.